Have you ever asked yourself why learning English feels so difficult even when you try every day? Maybe you wake up with motivation, open a book, watch an English video, or try to memorize vocabulary. But after a few days, you feel tired, confused, or even ready to give up. Many young learners face this exact struggle, and it is more common than you think. Imagine trying to build a house by collecting bricks but never learning how to put them together. That is exactly what happens when people only memorize words without understanding how language works in real life. During my first month learning English Technical 2, I realized that the real challenge was not intelligence, talent, or even time. The real challenge was learning in the wrong way. And this realization became clear when I discovered the simple but powerful story of a young lady named Liza. Liza was an ordinary learner, just like many of us. She was curious, hopeful, and determined to learn English because she knew it could open doors to education, opportunities, and communication with people from around the world. But like many beginners, she felt overwhelmed every time she looked at her English textbook. The pages were full of grammar rules, strange vocabulary, and long explanations that made the language feel like a complicated machine instead of a living tool for communication. Every morning, Liza promised herself she would study harder. She wrote long vocabulary lists, repeated words again and again, and tried to remember grammar formulas. But after a few days, she noticed something frustrating. The words disappeared from her memory almost as quickly as she learned them. It felt like trying to hold water in her hands. The harder she tried to memorize, the faster the knowledge seemed to slip away. Have you ever experienced the same problem? If you have, you are not alone. Many learners believe the solution is to study more and more, but sometimes the real solution is to change the method completely. One day, Liza's teacher introduced a new idea that changed everything. The teacher said, "Language is not a list of words. Language is a story." At first, this sounded too simple, but the teacher explained it with a powerful metaphor. Learning English through stories is like learning to swim in a river instead of reading instructions about swimming on the shore. You can read about swimming for years, but until you enter the water, you will never truly learn. Stories place learners directly into the water of language. They create context, emotion, and meaning that help the brain remember naturally. Inspired by this idea, Liza decided to try reading simple English stories designed for beginners. Starting with Level 1 stories that used easy vocabulary and clear sentences. The first story she read was about a girl walking through a small town in the morning. The language was simple. The sun was rising, people were opening shops, birds were singing, and the girl was buying fruit at the market. At first, Liza understood only half of the story, and she felt nervous about not understanding everything. But her teacher gave her another important piece of advice. Understanding 100% is not necessary. Understanding the message is enough. So Liza continued reading the story again and again. Each time she read it, more words became familiar. The word morning was no longer just a vocabulary word, became the image of a bright sky and a quiet street. The word market was not just a translation, it became the picture of people talking, buying fruit, and smiling. Slowly, the language began to connect in her mind like pieces of a puzzle forming a clear image. This was the moment when English stopped feeling like a difficult subject and started feeling like a meaningful experience. During her first month, Liza created a simple daily routine. Every morning, she listened to one short story while preparing for the day. Every afternoon, she reviewed a few key sentences and repeated them aloud. And every evening, she read the story again before going to sleep. The process was not fast or dramatic, but it was consistent. Think of it like planting a seed in the ground. On the first day, nothing seems to happen. On the second day, the soil still looks empty. But underneath the surface, something powerful is growing. After a few weeks, a small green leaf finally appears. Language learning works the same way. The brain quietly builds connections day after day until suddenly understanding begins to grow. By the end of the first month, something surprising happened to Liza. She started recognizing English words in conversations, videos, and even music. She felt more confident speaking simple sentences like, "I am going to the market," or "The weather is very nice today." These sentences might seem small, but for a beginner, they represent an enormous step forward. More importantly, Liza's fear of English began to disappear. She realized that learning a language is not about being perfect, it is about being patient and consistent. Just like a river slowly shapes a valley over many years, daily practice shapes the mind little by little. This lesson is extremely important for every young learner watching this video. Many students quit because they expect instant results. They imagine that fluency should happen in weeks instead of months or years. But language learning is more like climbing a mountain than pressing a button. Every step forward might feel small, but each step brings you closer to the top. The real question is not, can I learn English? The real question is, am I willing to take one small step every day? Imagine what could happen if you spent just 15 minutes every day listening to simple English stories. After 1 week, your brain would begin recognizing patterns. After 1 month, you might understand entire conversations. After 6 months, you could communicate with confidence in basic situations. Over time, those small daily steps would transform into a powerful skill that can change your life. English is more than a subject in school. It is a bridge that connects you to knowledge, careers, travel, and friendships around the world. Think about it like a key. Right now, the door to global communication may feel closed, but every story you read, every sentence you repeat, and every word you practice slowly turns that key in the lock. One day, the door will open, and you will realize that the effort you invested has created opportunities you never imagined. So let me ask you a powerful question. What small action will you take today to improve your English? Will you read one simple story? Will you listen to a short conversation and repeat it aloud? Will you practice speaking even if your sentences are not perfect? Remember that every fluent English speaker you admire once started exactly where you are now, confused, uncertain, and wondering if progress was possible. The difference between those who succeed and those who give up is not talent. The difference is persistence. Liza's first month of learning English did not make her perfect, but it gave her something even more valuable: belief in her ability to improve. And belief is the engine that drives long-term success. When you believe improvement is possible, every mistake becomes a lesson instead of a failure. Every challenge becomes an opportunity to grow, and every day becomes a step toward fluency. If Liza could transform her learning journey with simple stories and consistent effort, imagine what you can achieve by starting today. Your progress might begin slowly, but like the sunrise, once it starts, it becomes unstoppable. So make a promise to yourself right now. Commit to learning English through stories, practice a little every day, and refuse to give up, even when progress feels slow. The future version of yourself will thank you for the effort you begin today. And if you want more motivational stories, simple English lessons, and practical strategies that help young learners speak, confidently remember to subscribe to the channel and continue this journey with us, because your path to English fluency begins with one simple decision: the decision to start today and never stop learning.